Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm making a key for my new Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. So I have here, what's the name of your company?
The Keyless Shop.
The Keyless Shop. Yeah. And he's got his little toys there. He's gonna make a key for the car. We're gonna see how it goes. So this car does have passive entry. So what system are you using?
This is keyless hot wire.
Keyless hot wire. All right. So he's pretty well equipped, this man. He's got a nice truck. There's his information. If you're in New Jersey, he comes to you. Keyless Shop, 973-400-9863. He's got every key you need. So what are you basically doing? You're giving me a key from what car?
It's a 2016 Toyota Tacoma.
And you're saying you gave me a key fob so I can put an auto start on it?
Yeah, so you could go ahead and once you get the remote starter installed, you could go ahead and ask them to set it up however you want.
Oh, so instead of having a spare fob, that's good.
Yeah.
You don't do that, right?
No, that we do not do. So we just do key programming, remote programming.
That's cool. You must be busy doing that.
Yeah, it's been all day.
What is that key from? What car is it from?
This is Highlander.
Oh, so this is right. I was
yeah, so what you said.
Yep. So this is basically a Chinese key. I think it's made in China, right?
We get it from our U.S. suppliers, but just about everything comes from there. So
it's not an OEM key, though.
No, it's not an OEM key.
But I heard these Chinese keys are pretty good. So if you get the OEM key, it's going to be a lot more money. So I'm just going to go with this. And how much is your service again?
It all depends. Every car is different.
Every car's different.
Yeah.
Right. So I think he's charging me for this $150, something like that.
Yeah. I would have to see the notes again, but
yeah. Actually, we were talking on my other account.
Okay.
Let me go on the other side.
Yep.
Let's see if I can squeeze in here. All right. So he has the, so now he's got the key. So what are you going to do now? All right, so he's going to talk to that key.
Yep. That's the
master key. And that's the new key.
Yeah.
So that's a passive entry key?
Yeah, so it's going to do the same thing as the one you have there.
So he's holding it there for a little while. That's pretty cool.
Okay. So now, this should be good.
Should work already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just make sure it's good.
That was fast. There you go. You gotta put your foot on the brake.
Yeah, just checking these out. Looks good.
Oh, there you go. Locks work. Foot on the brake. So how do you know it was the new key that started it?
Well, you can't know based off of this, but as soon as the remote works on these,
right,
it's good to go. Because it's integrated. The transponder and the remote is integrated.
So let's try. We'll close the doors, lock it.
Try everything out.
Wow, that was fast. That was fast. Holy shit. So let me have the new key.
You could go ahead and try that one now. I'll walk away with this.
So I like this key better than the other key. It's a nicer looking. It's a nicer key. So basically, I walk up. Yeah, that's it. Door opens. It's gonna start. Pretty cool. Now we got the machine, and he's got a portable key cutter. That's awesome. These guys are equipped. I like this van too. It's a pretty cool looking van.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go in his computer. The Toyota. So this is a Bluetooth?
Yeah.
So it's Bluetooth. Nice. So a very easy business to go into.
There's a lot of requirements to get into it, but once you know it, then you gotta learn about all these different type of cars.
You need a license and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a licensed locksmith?
Yeah. So this is this is a whole franchise.
Oh,
but yeah,
my gosh.
you contacted us in the Fairfield location. We also have it in Hackensack as well.
Oh, okay. How much is a franchise?
That I'm not too sure of. You would have to contact the.
Oh, okay. So, but you have to be. Are you a licensed locksmith?
Yeah,
Oh,
I got it through the company because I worked with them since 2014.
Oh, so this man has experience. I mean, he did that so quick. But you know what? Listen, you do it fast. You in and out. You get the job done.
Yeah.
You know, and it's really not that expensive. But he's got many keys here, so it's not like he can make a mistake and then he doesn't have a key. So there's a few keys. Yeah, because somebody told me that if you lose the key and you don't have any keys, then you have to get a computer or something like that.
No, not for this one.
No?
Not for this one. In this case, we would have to reset the immobilizer.
Oh, reset the mobilizer.
Yeah.
Okay, how much is that?
I would really have to double check the price on that.
Oh, reset the mobilizer.
But that is a different procedure.
Right.
It does take about usually 15 to 20 minutes just to do that. That part.
Yeah, this is not. Yeah, I got you. Oh, look at that. That is pretty cool. Laser. That's a laser key. So how do you know what key it is?
Well, the system has a whole bunch of different keys, but generally speaking, I know which key it is. That's how I'm able to.
I mean,
input it onto
don't these trucks have different keys?
Yeah, but that's why you gotta remember the keyway it is.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, so there's different ones there. All right. Easier way to do it.
Oh, you got to take the lock out.
Yeah, but
oh, so we're taking the lock out. Okay, so I thought it was a quick and easy job.
Well, typically speaking, it is a pretty easy job to cut the key, but the machine isn't getting decoding the key correctly.
Gotcha.
So we're just gonna go ahead and do it with this here.
Oh, there you go. That's how you change the lock, right?
Yeah, if you want to change the lock, this is the way to do it.
So I actually bought a spare key. I'm going to return it. Okay. I bought a Lexus key. I could have just programmed that, right?
If it was the same part, then yeah.
The same chip.
Yep.
Yeah, it needs the same chip. Look at that, man. This guy's good. Yeah, so you got the number. Just call these guys if you're in Jersey. How far do you go?
Usually about half an hour, 45 minutes is the max.
So is this your company?
No, I work for
you work for the guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like you, man. Hard worker. Go out and make the money. So where's the key? Oh, the key's right on the outside. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got to reset the immobilizer. But then the problem is you can just come out and reset the immobilizer on site.
Yeah.
Are you 24 hours?
They have a 24-hour.
Oh, that's got to cost more money too.
Yeah, that's going to cost more. Yeah. It's usually after 8 p.m. They charge a whole different.
Oh, it's a different rate, of course. Well, there's the lock. Let's check that out. All right. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, there's a number on it. Aha! See? Now you can come and steal my truck.
Yeah, if you were to give this away to somebody, that
they can take that off and make it duplicate. But you can't just start the car.
No, they could
right?
just cut the
key. Yeah. So I wonder. I think there's a spare key for the trunk. I don't have that key.
Well, for the trunk, it should be the same key.
Yeah, we'll check it out. I don't think so. I thought it's a separate key.
No, that's the same one, and also the inside. If there's a glove compartment, will be the same.
Oh, okay. So he's putting the numbers in from the lock into the computer to finish the cut process. Look at that. How much is that machine there? The key cutter?
To be honest, I just work for them. I don't really.
Know?
Yeah.
No, I'm just curious.
Yeah.
You can probably look it up. It's called X-Horse key cutter. All Bluetooth, digital. Looks like a pretty interesting machine. Yeah, it's a nice truck. I would daily drive one of these. I love vans.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just girls don't.
Yeah. No, yeah, we work a lot with AAA and U-Haul, so we're pretty busy with that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. I have AAA. Yeah, can you charge on AAA?
Unless it's an emergency, they can't charge it. The only way that they can charge it is if you lost all your keys, like your you're still gonna be paying something.
It's pretty cool. Well, if you get the cheaper truck, you get a regular key. You get a regular key.
Well, yeah,
Like the old style.
Yeah.
Which I think you're better off.
With the basic trim level, you just get the
You get the on and off part of the key. I'd rather have a power seat than this. You know, passive entry.
Yeah.
Because they don't give you the power seat. Because the power seat, you're going to use it.
Yeah.
That's comfort. You know, passive entry, I mean. So now he's going to try it.
All right.
It's working?
Yep.
Yeah, great.
As long as that works.
Yeah.
That's it.
There you go.
Ready to go with that?
All right. Thank you, sir.
There's that, and I'll put this back for you.
All right. And that's...
No, this is for the battery that came on it. Every time we
change the battery?
We changed it into a Panasonic battery.
Oh, those are better?
Yeah.
There you go. There it is again. Keyless shop. Free advertising. And there's my camper van. Eventually we're going to do a video on that. So we're just going to put this back. So I guess anybody can just come here and steal your freaking lock if you can open the door.
If you can open the door and then the alarm is going to go off.
Oh,
yeah. But again, if you already got it inside the truck, you don't need this.
Right.
Yeah. You're all set.
All right. Hey guys, so the total cost of replacing the key, that was cutting the key, supplying the key, doing the work, taking the lock out, was $184. Now, to me, that's a pretty good deal because the keys alone on eBay are like 40 bucks for the Japanese ones. If you buy a regular OEM key from somebody, they usually want like 100 bucks for that, and then you gotta clear it in order to reprogram it to your car. Not only that, they were nice enough to give me a key from a Highlander so I could use the trunk opener, because pickup trucks don't have trunks. But I think today some pickup trucks do have like power opening tailgates. But anyway, I don't have a power opening tailgate. So the reason why I wanted to use the Highlander key is because it had an extra button. And if I do decide to put auto start in the Tacoma, the installer can use that trunk button as the auto start button. This way I don't have to carry around two key fobs. But with the old key fob that I have from Toyota that only has 3 buttons, a panic, open and close, and maybe they can even program the panic button to be the auto start part of the, to use that button to auto start the car. That could be an option as well. So for $184, the technician, the guy who installed, who reprogrammed the key, came to my house, right? Came to me. I didn't have to pay for gas to go there. Now, I could have saved $10 and went there all the way, paying tolls and all that. So I figured I'll just give you the $10. It's going to cost me that much in gas anyway, and my time. And when I got home from work, he was waiting for me. That was a great service. That was fantastic. The dealer wanted like almost $700.
to make that one stupid little key. That's big bucks, you know, versus $184, and the guy comes to you and he's got everything in his truck. And that's a franchise. So if you guys are interested in that, hey, you know, maybe you could look into opening up a franchise like that. But anyway, you know, thanks for watching the video. This is the next day. You know, I just wanted to do a little clarification on the whole thing. And I found them on Facebook. I just typed in key fob in the marketplace, and boom, the guy came up. Like, we were texting back and forth and this and that, and we made an appointment, and the guy showed up. Can't ask for more than that. He was very nice guy, very polite. You know, those are the kind of people you want to deal with. So you know, I think that was a score. You know, I would definitely use that again. I actually have a spare key for my Lexus, which is back there, and I was going to use the Lexus key, and I paid $90 for it. So I was going to use a key like this to program this key to the Tacoma. That this key has a lot more features you can program into it, but the Tacoma doesn't even have that. So what I'm going to probably wind up doing is taking that key and returning it back to the guy I bought it from on eBay, and that's it. You know, and to me, I saved a lot of money and time having the key made from a professional that comes to you, that, you know, is a small business, and those are the kind of people who want to help out. See you guys in the next video.